Hello internet friends and welcome back to my channel. It's me, LiteralCream, here with a makeup tutorial for you all today, which I know you all have been waiting for. What? My makeup tutorial. We're doing Katinka from Zoolander. I just watched the movie and we decided to do a last minute Halloween costume, so let's see how this comes out.
Good luck.
I feel like she doesn't have a lot of makeup, it's mostly just on her eyes. So let's just start off with some foundation and just slather it on as thick as you can because we do not believe in natural beauty. Full coverage all the way. Kinbers. I'm actually kind of pressed for time because I have to do my makeup and then his makeup and then a photo shoot and then my dog's hair and makeup. And then I have to frost a cake that I decided to make at the last minute. Okay. Should we contour our face? Maybe a little bit. Maybe somewhat. She has like very thin eyebrows. Shit. Make these thinner. I'm gonna be honest, this is a very last minute costume idea, so I don't have any of the makeup. We're just gonna wing it and hope it comes out okay. The ultimate challenge, if I can get this done in half an hour, nobody could stop me. Alrighty, I feel like that's a pretty good base. That's like fine. I can roll with it. She's like very defined cheekbones and she's wearing a lot of blush. Just slather that shit on. I just looked in the mirror and I realized I put on way too much blush. We'll just add more bronzer. We might end up changing our race a couple shades. I just want to say that I'm sorry. My plan was just to put like lipstick on my eyelids. Is that safe? Probably. Hello, handsome. We're just kind of smudging it out, and I think it's working. Now I'm just gonna set it with some blush. I have two, and one says do not use it on your eyes, and the other one does not specify, so it's probably fine. Honestly, I had only intended on going as Jenny Lee this year or something low maintenance. I'm Jenny Lee. It's easy being me because being attractive makes life easier. And it's not really fair, but it's not really my fault either. And then I had the last minute idea. King girl hugger.
Hi, can I get a hug?
Sure. Then I had the other last minute idea because I just watched the movie and I saw Will Ferrell with his little dog and I was like, that'd be so funny. Dress him up as Mugatu and then he can carry little Ashley. So I found myself rushing and stressing. And that's what I did last year too. I was like, I don't want to do Halloween this year. And then I spent an entire 2 weeks custom making a costume. Why? I don't know. I don't know if you guys know this, but I used to have really awful eyebrows. Did my best to keep it a secret every now and then. See an old photo, you'll be reminded of the 2016 curse. It was Jenna Marbles that did it for me. She posted a video and it was like types of ways people do their makeup and what your makeup says about you. And it was like a full face of makeup, but you don't have any makeup on your eyebrows. What? You can put makeup on your eyebrows?
A face full of makeup with no makeup on your eyebrows means you can put makeup on your eyebrows? What?
And then I had that realization that, oh my gosh, I should be putting makeup on my eyebrows. And it did not go well. I would just like to state that if you have eyebrows, you don't need to put makeup on them because you have eyebrows. And if you don't have eyebrows, that's fine too. Rock that look. And if you want to put makeup on them, go for it. I feel like I didn't do this right. It's too late now. It's fine. We'll just Photoshop it. That was the plan anyways. And we're just gonna line the top of our eyeliner with some glitter. And I am looking at more photos from different angles and realizing I might have done this wrong. We'll just blend it out. I think it's not that bad. Gonna give us some DSL. Okay, don't judge me. I've had this since before I'm speaking. I don't buy it anymore. And I'm just trying to use it up. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. Could be better, could be worse. Story of my life. We're fine. Candy burns. To be good for the false lashes, I really don't want to put them on. I feel like I should. They're just a pain. And I've also been growing out my eyelashes so that I wouldn't have to use them anymore. Because I used to trim my eyelashes because I just liked the look of fake eyelashes. And then I went to stop wearing them, so I just started to grow out my eyelashes. So I feel like they are pretty long. I don't need to wear the fake lashes, but should I? Did that even make a difference? I don't know. Was it worth it though? Probably not. I think that's basically the finished look. Be back. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Today we are becoming Mugatu. It's already hot.
Sorry, I'm He's probably wearing foundation, so it's do it. We could just clog the pores for fun.
What?
What? Stop squinting.
I'm just stabbing with a brush.
I'm not. That's how you do it.
You've quite the kid here.
It's because I was born a woman, and this is what society expects.
Are we filming?
Yeah, it's amazing. I was just gonna do your eyes, but I guess we could do the whole lick. Okay. See, this is why women get free drinks, because they're not really free. You have to factor in the time and money spent on cosmetics. I feel like you don't really need a lot of makeup in your face. Close your eyes.
Maybe it's got the smoky eyes. Is that what these are called? The smoky eyes.
Good job. Okay, open your eyes. And then click up.
You're more gentle, please.
I am! Oh my god! Don't say the next time we fuck.
Right, just give me a break.
Things I'll say the next time we fuck part two.
What's that? I'm stabbing in the eye right now.
I didn't! Oh my god, you're being a baby. Stop like squinting your eyes shut. Keep your eyes open. Oh my god. Is it really comfortable?
You keep stabbing in the eye.
Because you keep moving.
But it's like every time you do that, so my eyes are watering, it hurts.
I'm doing it like under your waterline. This is what you do. Dab it up. But don't dab all your makeup on. Are you like fine? Don't just like wipe it.
I'm not wiping with that. Because I'm like all watery. I kept just poking me in the eye.
Okay, it's fine. Just look at me. I'm just doing your eyebrows. Do you think you can handle mascara? Or are you like gonna cry? Because if you cry, it's gonna ruin it. So do you think you can handle it or no?
Yeah, I'm doing this mascara.
On your eyelashes.
Before
Just like look straight ahead and don't move. Stop looking.
I do it now.
I mean, that's probably fine. Ooh, you're so pretty.
It's funny.
Stop. Just look at me. Okay, you have to let it dry. Like, don't look up. Because you already smushed it.
Alright, look.
You're very pretty. You should make it more often. And you can just put that on. Well, can you like open your mouth? Just put it on like chapstick. Is that how you put on chapstick?
How do you put on chapstick?
You do it with your mouth closed?
Yeah.
Really? That's just interesting. I've just never seen anything do it like that. Okay, now you have to do your beard.
I'm sweating.
Well, don't.
Again?
No, I mean, I guess.
It's gonna come off.
What, the makeup or the glue?
The glue.
Oh, I mean, yeah, like 3 to 4 weeks.
Wait, what?
What? Just shut up, smile, and look pretty. It's gonna look better, okay? it's gonna look better. It's looking okay. Bitch, what the fuck? If you grew out your hair, you could have hair like Will Ferrell. You have like similar hair, don't you? It's like curly. No, I'm not done. Don't touch it.
It's pretty awesome, actually.
Don't touch it.
I love it.
See, I know what I'm doing. It may not look like it most of the time, but I know what I'm doing.
It's coming pretty good.
This is hairspray, so I'm just gonna spray the hair. Keep the loose pieces together.
Is it gonna stay on, you think?
I hope so. I mean, I usually use eyelash glue when I do my mustache, and that works pretty well. And this is like actual adhesive. It's just hard because it's like individual hairs and not a hair piece. I think you should do this work all the time.
It's pretty great.
You think it's coming out okay? I think it is. I think it's coming out okay.
It's such a good dust.
I'm gonna put some makeup around the edges. I think it's not that bad.
Coming out pretty good.
Okay, you guys, these are our finished outfits. I think they came out pretty decent. Mr. Mugatu and Katinka. And my SD card is full, so I made him an outfit. Okay. So
Hi, can I get a hug?
sure.
Shout out LiteralCream.